What's up, guys? Kid Mario 95 here, bringing you another episode. In today's episode, guys, we have a technical analysis on Dash here. Currently up about 3% for the day, sitting at $300. But really quick though, guys, before we do that, let's go ahead and run through the market. Market cap sitting at 263 billion. Today's volume 12.3 billion. Bitcoin dominance 45.4. Bitcoin slightly above 7,000, up 5% for the day, guys. Ethereum up 4. Ripple up 4. Bitcoin Cash up almost 5. Litecoin up almost 7. Lumen's up 8, Cardano up 5, Neo up almost 5, Tron up almost 6. Big winners today, Storg up 40, wow, VeChain up 21, BitShares up almost 20, Power Ledger up 17. Big losers, Vertasium, Kin, and Dragon Chain. Dragon Chain still below as well, below 75 cents now, sitting at almost 60 cents. What a steal. IOTA, still just barely above $1. The big one though, this is what I'm excited for though, guys, is Dash. Dash is on a huge sale. But let's see, major exchanges here: HitBTC, Huobi, Yobit, Binance, Bitfinex, Bitsy, Poloniex. Dang, Bittrex is into all the way down here at number 19. That's crazy. Market cap 2.3 billion, volume 78 million, circulating supply 7.9 million, max supply here, guys, 18.9 million. Go ahead and hit the charts that you guys came here for. So we're at a very key level here, guys. Bounce 1, bounce 2, potentially bounce 3. However, if we don't hold at this price, I do believe Bitcoin comes back down to 5,000. Again, this is just my personal opinion, not a financial advisor, but expecting us to consolidate here for a bit, kind of like we're doing now. And then depending if we get a little bit more green candles, I'll decide to add to my position. But this could be our low, or again, this could just be the beginning of us continuing to fall again. So definitely wait for that daily confirmation, guys. What I'm waiting for is that break and close above 7,300. Once we break and close above 7,300, it should be good to go, maybe back up to 11,000. But again, let's wait for that daily confirmation, because we could still break below 6,000 and hit the 5,000 target. Ethereum doing the same thing. We were in this nice little triangle here. This is where we broke out, and now we're finally back down to test our breakout zone. Let's go ahead and zoom in a little bit, show you guys some price action. Came up to about 439 2 days ago. After that, drop all the way down to about 350. So we're kind of just consolidating here for a bit. Momentum definitely looks like it's starting to shift towards the upside, however, but no confirmation just yet. I'd wait for that break and close above 440 just to be sure. But again, guys, not a financial advisor. It's just my personal opinion. But this is pretty much where I got the idea from, guys. I was looking at the Litecoin chart. Last time we were at this price, we went from about 100 all the way up to the all-time high at about 420. Came back down to test it, bounced from 108 all the way up to 250, and we're currently back at this price, doing some more consolidating. What I'm waiting for is that break and close above 125. Once we do break and close above 125, I believe Litecoin should be good to go. However, if we don't hold at this price at about 115, 110, I am expecting Litecoin to come back down to about 75. But again, guys, remember, this is just my personal opinion. I'm not a financial advisor. But you guys came here for some Dash technical analysis. All-time high here, guys, at about 1,600. We were in this nice little channel, broke out of it, nice little channel again. Before we formed that all-time high though, guys, we were also in this nice little wedge, I guess you would call, and we broke out of that. So now we're actually back at that price where we broke out of that wedge. So what I'm kind of expecting from Dash is for it to actually do the same thing, just kind of bounce off this level and head towards the upside. Let's go ahead and zoom in a little bit, see what the price action is showing us. As you can see, you start to get a couple of wicks here. So the bears are starting to slow down. Yesterday we came as low as about 266 and then kind of bounced up. We take a look at the 4-hour. The 4-hour doesn't show us any signs of, a bullish entry just yet. What I'm waiting for though, guys, is that break and close above 312. This coin, in my opinion, is a huge steal. All-time high at about 1,600, currently sitting at 300. As of right now, I believe it cost you about 300,000. Don't get me wrong, it's still a lot. It cost you about 300,000 US dollars to get you a Dash master node. which is a lot cheaper to the alternative doing 1,600 um, times 1,000 Dash coins. So as you can tell, guys, it's huge difference. Um, Dash is huge, very great coin, I would say, in my personal opinion. Huge discount in my eyes. I'm sure your guys' ads as well. But I basically see Dash coming back up towards all-time high here at 1,600 towards the end of 2018. But unless this downtrend continues to keep going, we might have to be, again, like I said, push these targets a little bit back more, like towards the beginning of 2019. But again, Dash is on sale, guys. I definitely recommend you guys do a little bit more research on it if you're interested. But that's pretty much it for today's video, guys. Don't forget to re-steam, upvote, comment down below what kind of coins you guys are trying to see. If you're on YouTube, make sure you guys are subscribed, turn on post notifications, and you give this video a thumbs up. Other than that, guys, thanks for watching. Take it easy.